Hey guys, welcome to another YouTube unboxing. And like I said, I got the US General single bank top chest cabinet. And I also got this one over here, which is also the roller cabinet. They didn't have both in green, and I wanted orange, and they didn't have, so I had to get blue and green. The top one is blue, and the bottom one is green. But anyways, let's get with the unboxing, and see what's inside. Oh, and by the way, for today, I got my trusty brother, Tremaine, and I'm here, and just holding my camera because I couldn't use my tripod this time because it was very heavy. I mean, it was very big box. And as you can see over here, this is what it brings so far. You get when you unbox this. Bear with me, guys. As you come over here, brother. This is what it looks like. I actually have it backwards, but as you can see, you get the, this is the first time I do this unboxing backwards, but yeah. Alright, this must be the grill lines for here. You get all these grill lines for labeling your things. Here's the railing handle that goes on the side. Put that to the side. You also get the mats, the rubber mats. The instruction manual warranty. Oh. And inside here, you get the screws. And the legs, the wheels, I mean. So that is glad, I guess. It's really not. Oh. And down here, you see that I got you get the keys to lock and unlock. I guess later when I open it up, I'll show you a picture or something. Now, if you walk over here with me, we're going to unbox the other one. And this one is pretty similar. This one's pretty similar to the green one. It comes just the same almost. And it also comes with, I never got to show you guys. Here what the keys look like. Put that to the side. And then inside here you get this one you get the mats. You get the clip-ons. The instruction manual with warranty, some more labels, okay, I guess this was just packaging. Oh, they all have the padding. They all have the padding. And as you can see here, it has the shock springs for opening and closing. But anyways, guys, there's really not much to show. It has handles on the side here, so you can lift like that. But anyways, guys, that's about it. I'll show you a picture at the end of the video of what it looks like completed. Thanks for watching my YouTube video. Always remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And see you on the next one.